Want to keep your apps private and organized on your iPhone? You can easily hide apps without deleting them. Let me show you how. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Step 2. Press and hold anywhere on the home screen until the apps start jiggling. Step 3. Tap on the dots at the bottom of the screen that indicate your home screen pages. Step 4. Uncheck the pages you want to hide, then tap Done in the top right corner. Step 5. Your selected home screen pages are now hidden and the apps will no longer be visible. Important notes. Hidden apps can still be accessed through the App Library or Spotlight search. To bring the hidden pages back, follow the same steps and check the pages again. This method works on all iPhones running iOS 14 or later. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech guides. See you in the next one.